Hello, today we're going to do a motor test. Well, a little more than a motor test, also checking on the steering wheels, see how they go. You can see that I stopped being lazy and mounted them properly onto the frame. So, they should now steer and hopefully not fall off as easily. And I also took my cutting wheel on my angle grinder and just cut off some more of the snowblower auger cowling. So there should now be more clearance. Hopefully I won't be able to hit as many lumpy obstacles on the ground. And I also adjusted the transmission stick here so it's further down, and hopefully with the transmission in the cockpit we'll be able to get more speed out of it. But today I'm just going to be doing a rear drive test, aka driving the snowblower and then running to the front to flip the pedal switches. So I'll put the camera down and we'll do that. Went forward okay? Well, it looks like this left wheel caster here ended up hyperextending, spinning sideways. So all I'm going to do is move the linear actuator a little further forward, so hopefully it'll stop it from spinning around and catching so much. So I'll see you in a sec. There we go. I also added another machine bolt onto the housing for the linear actuator so it doesn't wobble around as much, and we should be good to go. So, just gotta kick this truck out, and we'll see it go in reverse, I guess. Oh yeah, and move some of this stuff out of the way. There we go. Now I'm gonna check it for turning right, see if the right wheel does the same thing. Go, press it up. That wasn't too shabby. Something I am a little concerned about is because these legs are pretty much only mounted on the bottom half of this framework, not on the top half, unlike the previous legs. So I am a little worried that they're going to cause like some deformation and stress to the frame. So I'm probably going to add like a few cross braces underneath, I don't know, between this beam and that beam or something like that to give it a little extra support. And for that I'm going to need to do some math to calculate the angles. But looks like it's going to be working pretty well. I mean, I don't know what these wheels are doing because now she looks a little pigeon-toed if you look at the steering wheels, but she was steering and, you know, driving around, so I don't know, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. And then after I guess I put some more cross braces under there eventually, I'm just going to fix this fist because it's currently only mounted on one bit of PVC in here, so it flops around a bit. So I'll just put a second strut right across here. And that should do it. Except for, you know, putting some dust covering back up because it fell down somehow. And maybe making some back plates out of metal. That would be kind of fun, you know, kind of like Judd McStud's old back plate here. You know, look at that. Something like that, only jumbo size instead of that trash. Look a little nicer, and hook up the sensor for the steering gauge, and then do a manned test drive, and then punch Judd McStud's face. So, that will be all for today. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.